Hello friends, so today we are going to create a neon light effect inside of After Effects. So let's jump into the After Effects. So before beginning this video, I would like to request to you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more tutorial like this. See जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, I have created a composition 9020 into 1080 and I have a car footage. So let's drag this footage to timeline. And जैसे ही देख सकते हैं आप, this is too small, so let's increase. So right click, go to transform and fit to comb. So let's duplicate this footage layer 2 times. So this layer को select कीजिए, press Ctrl D to duplicate and let's rename one by one. So select the first one, press enter to rename. Now font, select the second one, enter to rename. Leave third one as it is. So select first one and let's create a mask. So go to ellipse tool and hold shift key and create a mask, something like this. Go to selection tool and let's adjust this mask. So select the mask one, right click, track mask. When you click the track mask, so this tracker panel pop up automatically. So let's track. To click here, track the selected mask forward. So click here. Let's see. So once you have done tracking, so now we are going to apply saber effect. It's come from video copilot. So select this phone layer and go to effect and preset. If you cannot see effect and preset over here, so go to window, enable from here. So let's search for saber effect, SABS saber, and apply to this font layer and click the right arrow, customize score, change score type from saber to layer mask, and let's scroll down and select this render setting, expand the render setting and scroll down and change composition setting from black to red. So let's change the glow color. So select this one and something pink. So you can change the preset. There is lots of preset, energy and electric. So now I am going to choose neon and let's decrease the glow intensity, set to 40. So let's animate this glow. So select this and offset and offset value set to 60 and start offset value set to 0 and select this mask abolition and click this topwatch icon to generate a keyframe and go to the last frame and increase the mask abolition from 0 to 359. Hit enter. So select this phone layer, press U to reveal this keyframe and select both keyframe and press F9 to make them easy. So let's preview how it look like. So we are going to apply the same method for this back wheel. So select this back layer and go to ellipse tool and create a mask. Go to selection tool adjust the mask. Select the mask one, right click, drag mask, and select it mask forward. So जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, this track is doesn't this mask is doesn't track properly, so you can do adjust manually. So expand the mask, select the mask path, and let's adjust the manually. So you can do the frame by frame precisely. So select this phone layer and go to effect control and select saber effect, hold control and press C to copy, and select the back layer and press Ctrl V to paste it here. So let's preview how it's looking. So as you can see, I have done the roughly, so you can do the precisely frame by frame, you can track frame by frame. So thank you for watching guys this video. So if this video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. So bye bye.